Hello guys, and welcome to this review of Saily eSIM. Saily eSIM is designed by the creators of NordVPN. It is a eSIM for international traveling, for example for digital nomads. eSIM is a service that allows you to access mobile data and calling services via eSIM technology. It provides an alternative to traditional mobile network providers and often focusing on ease of use, cost effectiveness and flexibility. If you're traveling over the world, you can have data everywhere, and I will show you the rest in a bit. But let's first explain you what an eSIM actually is. An eSIM is a digital SIM card that allows you to connect to a mobile network without the need for a physical card. For a physical SIM card, unlike traditional SIM cards, which are removable and need to be inserted into your device. Often when you're at the airport, I experienced this as well when I went to Bali. I had to remove my own SIM card and I had to protect and save it in my bag, but it was also kind of risky that it doesn't work after when I went back. This was a problem, and I think this is the best alternative for it, a eSIM. You can keep your SIM card in it and it won't break as fast as in your bag, I would say. They are not removable, or you don't have to remove your own SIM card, and that makes it easier to manage your mobile network connections without the swapping process. They are programmable over the air, meaning you can activate or switch the mobile plans without needing to go to a store or wait for a new physical SIM card to arrive. For example, if you go to 2 countries, you don't have to swap it out each time, but you can really easily get another network and switch, for example, from the Philippines to Thailand or Thailand to Philippines, for example. That is basically what a eSIM does, and it has as well security features, ad blockers and many more functions. For example, it has global connectivity, as you can see right here on the website. You can choose your destination, for example Turkey, United States, Thailand, Malaysia, China, Japan, France and India. And there are also some other providers like Airalo and Nomad, and I have tested them. I will make a video about it as well, just to as a comparison, but for now I like Saily eSIM the most. Let's do on view all destinations, and here you can see over 200 destinations, and let's for example choose Thailand. I'll be going there really, and I will make a video about how to activate this because I'm going to use this myself. Get an eSIM for Thailand. You can choose your own plan, for example 1 gig 7 days, 3 gig for 30 days, gigabyte, and 20 gigs for gigabyte for 30 days for $20. And you can also activate your plan later. If you, for example, want to buy it now in your own country and you want to travel in like 10 days, then you can activate it also in 10 days. Otherwise it will be activated automatically. You have some description here and also technical details. SMS is not available, calls not available, only through apps. For example, like WhatsApp, you can call. Speed 3, 4, LTE and 5G depending on local network. Not every country has the same speed. No hotspot restrictions or limitations. You can share a hotspot, and yeah, here the coverage in various cities across Thailand, but it will really depend on the local network like I just said. And here are the things how it works. You have to choose a plan, download the Saily and set up your eSIM, and then enjoy your eSIM data plan. Please be aware, not every phone is compatible with an eSIM. I will make a video about it as well, how to know it is supported. But what you can do in the meantime, as I don't have the video live yet, you can go to your settings and then click on mobile network, and there it will say eSIM somewhere, and there you can also activate the eSIM, and that's how you know you got eSIM. And another way is to just go to Google and type in your phone, your device, your provider, for example Samsung Galaxy S something, and behind it you type is it eSIM compatible, and it will show up that it is. For my example, I got a S21 and it is compatible. And that's actually what Saily eSIM does, what a eSIM actually does in general, and what Saily does. And I think why I think this is better than the other ones, I use NordVPN as well, as you can see, because I like to have my internet safe, and when I'm traveling, for example, I have to go to the airport, I want my internet to be safe, I use NordVPN. And Saily just came on the market, I think about a year ago now, half a year ago. And for me, for example, I compared this one for Thailand against Nomad and Saily was the best option for me. Yeah, that's about it about Saily. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you, by the way, they have a refer a friend. If you want to buy it and your friend is going to travel as well, or your girlfriend or your man, husband, then you can share your link and you both get $5 in credit. It's cheaper to buy it. That's it. I will leave a link down in the description. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Be aware, it is an affiliate link, but it